Fanatics, we're back. I'm going to keep going. As you can see, I have the windows in place. Very tricky to get those straightened out, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this solid. And starting is always the trickiest. Remember I told you about walking these things on like this. And I'm going to do the same thing over there. And as I do this, I'm going to make this pretty solid. You just have to be careful how much force you use. Okay? And when you use that force, you're careful to get it all the way across. And okay, little minimum force there. And as you can see, it looks like a wall. Pretty cool. Okay, so you just want to make sure it's solid, which it is. Okay, so now I've got that. Okay, so I need the 3 over here. So I'm going to put these on like this. That's the 3. And then the long one goes in the middle, like this. And this one is going to finish it off. And now you've got a pretty solid. Yeah, that's really nice and solid. As you can see, it's really nice. No wobbling anymore. All right, so let's go on to the top. We're going to finish this off by making some decoration here, which is really cool looking. And I'll show it to you in a minute when I'm done, because these will all line up. And if they do, this is going to look really cool. Okay, make sure I'm putting those on right. Like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. And that way when it clicks up in the top of the building, you know, it has these little tips that are going to come out, as I've shown you in other videos. And when they do, they'll ride on these, and then this will finish it up and make it look kind of really cool and solid. Alright, so I'm going to go on to the next video, get some more parts for you. Alright, so like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. Alright, Lego Fanatics, like I said, this actually goes on the top of this, and I'll show you how. You basically walk it to the bottom there first, and then you click it up above, and it just locks right into place like that. And you can have these pointed up a little bit, small detail, and that's how that goes on there, just like that. So it's actually starting to get some definition, if you will, to the building. You can see how tall it is. It's 1, 2, 3 floors tall. There'll be a roof up here, and then there's going to be something on top of this right here, where Firestar right here, Firestar trying to get her in here, Firestar will actually sit on top of that building. So a little bit more detail to go, almost there. We're just gonna take that and go with it. Subscribe, like, and